大家好，我係 Mr. Manso，今日會為大家講呢就係 SV 嘅 exercise 8A distance between two points on a plane 嘅 question 25 審題。The figure shows a triangle OAB with vertex OA 10 2 and B 6 6. Show that triangle OAB is a right angle triangle。嗱，我哋到而家為止咧，學正呢個直角三角形咧，只係得一招嘅咧，就係Words of Pythagoras theorem 嘅，咁都知你唔記得㗎，特登攞翻條例題俾大家睇啦。就係你要將兩條邊嘅二次計咗個數值，睇埋最長嗰條邊嘅二次嗰個數值係咪相等？係嘅話咧，我哋就話佢直角三角形。理由咧就係 converse of Pythagoras theorem。我哋嘅同學絕對有能力計翻晒三條線嘅，但係好可惜咧，我哋嘅同學咧就係漏咗呢啲咁簡單嘅寫法嘅啫嚇。兩條邊二次之後加埋佢，同埋嘅結果係等於最長嗰條邊嘅二次嘅話，我哋就會講啦，因為較短嘅兩條邊二次之後相加等於最長嗰條邊嘅二次，所以三角形 OAB 就係直角三角形啦。其中角 OBA 咧就係90度，理由咧就係 converse of Pythagoras theorem 啦，咁就證明咗佢係一個直角三角形。多謝大家。